You can earn $10, $12, $25, or even $100 every 15 minutes just by using Google Translate. Currently, this method is completely free and works worldwide. And the best part about it is that the website we will be using pays us on a daily basis. So you can literally make money today and withdraw it by tomorrow. And the minimum payment threshold is only $1. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. First, go to Google and search for Translate. Now basically this Google Translator helps you earn $10 to $50 every 15 minutes. So within an hour you can get paid up to $200 just doing what I am going to show you in the next few minutes for absolutely free. So let's go to Google Translate and you just have to type in something in it and it will be translated into whatever language you choose. Here I am translating the Dutch language. So if I write something here, for example, how are you in English, as it is translated into Dutch. So now that you know how to use Google Translate, we need to go to another website which is right here, cpagroup.com. Now just click on the register button and it will redirect you to this page where you just have to fill all the necessary details, but make sure you select website Incent or GPT for publisher type because it gives you approval. And then where did you hear about us? They say it comes from YouTube. Now if you want to log in into your account, your dashboard will look like this. As you can see, there are people who earn more than $250,000 in CPA Grip. You can see that this network is legal and will pay you a lot of money. Anyway, you are going to earn extra income using this network, but it is not our main income. So we just have to start with CPA Grip. The only thing we have to do is to select the offer tools first. Then choose a CPA offer from one of the top European countries that don't really speak English and have a slightly higher paying CPA. Then you can almost just choose any of these CPA offers. So as an example, I will show you how to do this for the Netherlands. If I can do it, so can you. So you just have to choose any of these CPA offers. Now, for example, we can go to do this proposal. Now, make sure you select these offers because the traffic source we use is for mobile devices. For this one, I am pretty sure it's a mobile offer and I get paid $1.51 to complete. However, this is only higher than the $10 method or $50 maximum per 15 minutes. So what you simply need to do is copy your affiliate link here. This will be your unique link. Now for the next step, you have to go to this website which actually pays you this amount of money without event generation, any CPA, commission, sales or anything. The website is now called shortyearn.com. For example, if you are going to play from Greenland, you will be paid $50. From Iceland, you will be paid $30 and 80 cents. The best part is that the traffic source that I will show you works for all countries out there. So if you want to do exactly what I am showing you now, you can easily get this amount of money. Just go to shortyearn.com and sign up for a new account. And after you log in, the dashboard will look like this. Now for next step, click on new shorten link and paste your affiliate link from CPA group here. Then go with something very simple for a nickname. Make sure you don't enter an expiration date. After that, just click on shortened and this will be your shortened URL. Now roughly what we have to do is, if we want to send traffic from the Netherlands, you can see right here we will get $10 every 15 minutes for this traffic. So I will show you how to do it for the Netherlands, but you can do the same for any of these countries. Now just copy this URL before going to the next website, which is right here, publisher.linkvertise.com. This website is just like a link shortener, but they also want to promote your link in their search engine. Basically, a traffic has been done for you. So just go to publisher.linkvertise.com and sign up for a free account. Then as soon as you log in, this is what you will see. Now for the next step, just click on create link and paste the shorten URL from Shortyearn, and then just click on this button here. Next, you need to copy the CPA offer header and add it right here to make sure they match the chapters, and just click check here. Copy and paste the title of the CPA proposal link again. But as you can see here, it says that your entered text is too short, at least 40 characters as required to continue. And this is where Google Translate really comes in handy. So I just write something clickable and Google Translate the words for me. Now I'm going to copy and paste this right here. Now we need at least 100 characters for the link description again to continue. So again, I write the exact same thing, but make sure it's at least 100 characters. After that, Google translates the words for me. Now I just want to copy and paste this here. In the next step, just upload an image of the product. So in this case, it's the iPhone 14. Then you can see here our search result will be like this. This is our ad that is automatically placed in your search engine. And as you can see, this image we upload is in Dutch. So we will get Dutch traffic. After that, click on next to go to the next page, and that's it. Now whenever someone click on the link you from Linkvertise, you will receive money. Then you will also receive money in Shortyearn. In addition, you will earn extra cash from CPA grip. Thank you for being with me today tutorial. If you were interested in today's video, be sure to like it and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to us, be sure to subscribe and put the bell button on it so that you get to know about our tutorials earlier than others. Good luck! Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.